Hey everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. I can't take myself seriously in this unicorn onesie, but I thought it kind of fit the mood of today's video. Now I love like the whole concept of self-care. If you can't tell, I love skincare, I love hair care, I love all of that. I love taking care of myself. And I love making like self-care routine videos, like pamper routine videos is what I'm trying to say. So there's like a certain routine that I do right before I'm going to be going on a vacation, or like I'm going to be traveling basically. So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. Also disclaimer, I'm not even going to look like half as cute as this in the next few clips, so be prepared. Now, step one for me was to do my hair, and I actually did record the first time I colored my hair on camera, and I did not like the way it turned out. What I mean, it wasn't light enough for me, which is why I ended up coloring my hair for the second time. And here's the footage of me coloring my hair for the second time. The hair color that I use is by the Loreal. It's the L'Oreal Paris's Excellence Fashion Highlights, and the shade that I use is Honey Blonde. So this box comes with a colorant and a developer. I've mixed the two of them in a glass bowl. So I'm gonna like straight up take color in my hair and just concentrate my ends. But in case you're wondering, I actually have like an in-detail video as to how I cut and color my hair at home. So I'll make sure to link that in the description box below.
The next day.
Today morning I just got done with my waxing. So I got done with my full legs waxing, my full hands, my underarms, and this time I also waxed my stomach, which is something that I don't do otherwise, but I thought why not, let's do it. I've done it before and my stomach feels really soft and nice. But yeah, other than that, I got my eyebrows done as well. I get my eyebrows threaded. So my skin is very sensitive like after I get my eyebrows done, and also getting eyebrows done is a very painful process. So the combination of the two leads to my skin almost like breaking out in like small pimples like right around here, and also the area that I get waxed, the upper lip area. So we'll do something about it in order to combat that. But since my skin is already in a lot of trauma, why not put it through more? So I'm gonna shave my face. I've actually shown this like in detail how I do it in a previous video, so I'll link that video as well in the description box below in case you want to know how I do it like step by step. So I just got done with shaving my face. Now my entire body feels pretty hair free. In order to combat the irritation that's going on all over my face, so what I do is I like to take the Mamaearth Aloe Vera Turmeric Gel. Now this has pure aloe vera and turmeric in it. So what I do is I take a ice tray and I pump a few pumps into the ice tray, and I like make these DIY aloe vera ice cubes almost. Now why I specifically like this aloe vera gel is because it is non-sticky. So I have extremely oily skin, and still like after applying it, it's not sticky at all. But having said that, it is extremely hydrating and it helps me get rid of those tiny bumps around my forehead. Now while I ice my entire face with these aloe vera ice cubes, there are a few things that I wanted to address. So you guys do know that I work with Mamaearth, and for the most part, most of you are really understanding about the whole process of how this goes. This is my full-time job. So I will be working with brands. Trust me, you guys, it's not like I don't get approached by other brands, and it's not like other brands don't pay. But the reason why I choose to work with Mamaearth, I don't think I've worked with any other brand recently other than Mamaearth, and the reason why I keep working with them is because I, of course, really like their products. Secondly, all their products are natural and chemical free. They're like, most of them are, I think all of them actually are sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free, and the brand is plastic positive, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. But above all of these reasons, the most important reason like why I choose to promote these products is because I genuinely love the products. A lot of you guys have bought the products on my recommendations, like the tea tree hair mask, and you guys love it because it is truly a beautiful product. The Upton face mask as well, that's an amazing product as well. And every product that I show on my channel, there's a reason why I show it. like this aloe vera gel as well. I've been using this for a while. Whenever I promote these products, I ask for a testing period, which is when I will be trying these products out for myself. So yeah, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I would never promote anything that I don't use and I don't like. So have my word on that. Having said all of that, you can buy Mamaearth products. They're available on Amazon, on Nykaa, and their website as well, mamaearth.in. And also you can use my code Mridul20 if you want to buy any products. You can get a 20% off that way. So I'm back. Definitely my skin looks a little bit red, but I really like how glowy and hydrated it feels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a face mask on my skin. You can use any face mask that you want. I think it probably would have been smarter to apply the hair mask first and then the face mask, but you live and you learn. So don't make the same mistakes I do. So I thought, why not, while we wait, make something for our teeth. So I'm gonna share with you guys a really quick 2-ingredient teeth whitening pack. So basically all you really need is some coconut and some turmeric. You're gonna mix the two together. So I spit the oil out and I rinsed my mouth with some water, and I can already see a difference. This is one of those like homemade nuskas that like show immediate results. I already feel like my teeth are maybe like a shade or two lighter. Now this is the sugar scrub that I made. I've showed this quite a few times in my videos. So it's sugar, it's coffee powder and some coconut oil, or you could use some honey. And I use this to scrub all over my body when I went for a bath to wash my face mask and my hair mask.
2 hours later.
Before I end the day, I thought, why not do my eyebrow tint? So that's what I'm gonna do. The eyebrow tint that I use is by Etude house and it's called Tint My Brows. So literally all I'm gonna do is paint this on my eyebrows and let it dry for like 15 minutes. And I peeled everything off. I'll insert a close-up of what my eyebrows look. I'm really happy with the way they look. Now I'm too scared to get my eyelash extensions done, so I have to go through the natural route. So what I do is I use some castor oil every night before I went to bed. I mean, that's what I did before I went to Bali. And I applied it on my lash line and on my lashes. This really, like, you can literally see a difference the very next day.
1 eternity later.
Hi, so it's been quite a few days since I've last filmed. Matter of fact, today I'm going to be leaving for Bali in just a few hours. I'm going to leave at 6 today to the airport, and right now it is 2 o'clock. So I still have to do my manicure and my pedicure. And I have to leave in an hour to go to Siddhi's place because that's where all of us are going to leave from. So what my plan of action is, I obviously don't have time to do like a full-blown pedicure. So all I'm going to do is apply some nail polish. The nail polish that I'm going to be applying is by Nykaa and it is in the shade Serenity. This is the only nail polish color that I wear on my feet. And as for my nails, like every other time, I'm gonna use these stick-on nails. I have an entire video, like a dedicated video as to how I do my nails at home under a budget. So of course that will be linked. So I got these beautiful turquoise nails from Primark. So I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna use the Miss Claire's glue in order to stick them, and I'm gonna do that on the plane because what else am I gonna do on the plane? So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting my nails and get out of the house ASAP. And for today's giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the entire Upton range from Mamaearth. This consists of a total of 5 products, including my favorite sunscreen and also my favorite Upton face mask. So all you really need to do to win this giveaway is, of course, subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagram, and on my latest Instagram post, tag 3 of your friends. And yeah, I'll pick a giveaway winner and contact you. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, found it helpful. All the products that I've mentioned will be linked in the description box below. What else? Get excited for Bali content, more traveling content. I'm really excited for it, so I hope you are too. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I'm going to be posting. Click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video.
Follow me on my Instagram because there's going to be a lot of new pictures from Bali. I hope so. Follow Simba Lifestyle and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.